Welcome to TechTonicTwist, where we review the latest and greatest gadgets and gizmos. From smartphones to laptops, we've got you covered. In today's video, we will be discussing about top 5 best earbuds of 2023. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, let's talk about the TOZO A1 Mini wireless earbuds. These are ultra lightweight and compatible for small earbuds that use Bluetooth 5.3 technology to deliver immersive premium sound and long-distance connection. They have IPX5 waterproof rating, built-in microphone, and up to 6 hours of battery life on a single charge. The charging case can provide extra 4 times full charging for both earbuds, giving you time for a total of 24 hours of music marathon. They also support smart touch control and voice assistant. These earbuds are perfect for those who want a simple and elegant design, a comfortable fit, and a decent sound quality. They are also very affordable. The only downside is that they don't have active noise canceling, so they might not block out the background noise very well, but nonetheless, it's truly a tech marvel. You can get them for 33% off from the link in the description. Now, let's groove into our next contender, TAGRY Bluetooth headphones. The epitome of true wireless freedom with LED power display and a wireless charging case, which not only functional, but also make them stylish. They have IPX5 waterproof rating, ensuring they can keep up with your active lifestyle, and with a staggering 60 hours of playback time, you won't be running out of music anytime soon. The active noise canceling and 4 microphone setup guarantee crystal clear calls, making these a solid choice for both work and play with Bluetooth 5.2 compatibility. They support AAC and SBC codecs and have 10mm drivers with big bass sound. These earbuds are great for those who want a long battery life, a powerful sound, and a convenient wireless charging. They are also reasonably priced. For a huge 41% off, check out the links in the description. Moving on, let's check out the JBL Vibe Beam. These are true wireless earbuds with active noise canceling and smart ambient technology delivering that signature JBL deep bass sound. These earbuds are not just about sound. They're built to endure with an IP54 water and dust resistance and up to 8 hours of battery life on a single charge. The charging case can provide extra 24 hours of battery life. They also support spatial audio, hands-free calls with VoiceAware, and JBL Headphones app. These earbuds are ideal for those who want a premium sound quality, a sleek design, and a smart noise control. They are also compatible with both Apple and Android devices. They are a bit pricey, but they are worth it if you want a high-end product. Let's explore another top contender up next. We have the JBL Tune Flex. These are true wireless noise-canceling earbuds that come with 2 types of ear tips for ultimate comfort, open and in-canal. They have JBL Pure Bass Sound, boasting IPX4 water and sweat resistance. These earbuds are perfect for those intense workout sessions. With up to 8 hours of battery life on a single charge and an additional 24 hours from the case, they keep you going. They also have active noise canceling with smart ambient, 4 microphones for perfect calls, and JBL Headphones app. These earbuds are suitable for those who want a versatile and customizable fit, a balanced and clear sound, and a reliable noise cancellation. They are also compatible with both Apple and Android devices. For the best price, check the link in the description. Finally, last but certainly not least, the game changer, we have the Beats Studio Buds, true wireless earbuds with active noise canceling and a unique transparency mode, delivering that signature JBL Pure Bass sound. With an IPX4 water and sweat resistance, these earbuds are designed for all weather conditions. Compatible with both Apple and Android devices, they offer versatility like no other. And the Find My feature ensures you never lose track of these musical gems. It has up to 8 hours of battery life on a single charge. The charging case can provide extra 16 hours of battery life. They also support spatial audio, hands-free calls with VoiceAware. These earbuds are excellent for those who want a stylish and compact design, a rich and dynamic sound, and a smart and easy-to-use noise control. They are also reasonably priced. You can also get them for 33% off from the link in the description. Thank you for watching this video of TechTonicTwist, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech and gadgets. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. We hope to see you again in our next video. Until then, stay tuned and stay twisted.